Today, we are standing in front of our vehicle because
we're going to the thrift store to buy some Valentine's Day gifts. We're not big on over-commercialized gift giving, but we still want to do something for Valentine's Day, so we decided to go to the thrift store and thrift gifts for each other.
we're gonna see what we can find and see if we can come up with any ideas on upcycling an item to give to each other. Or maybe items, who knows?
Okay, let's go.
I know exactly what I'm looking for, so now I just need to find it.
So much in this thrift store, and I literally have no idea what I'm even looking for. Hopefully, I get inspiration from something in here.
I really know what I want to do. Like, I've heard Lindy talk about cutting boards, so I thought I could get some cutting boards, maybe a couple of them, glue them together, make a cool pattern.
Some of my thoughts were like upcycling a board game maybe, because he loves games.
So far, finding cutting boards has been like finding the Holy Grail. Found this. Could cut a small piece of cheese.
Another thought I had was some kind of like beer tasting, or like one of those, you know, boards that they do the beer tasting with.
Yeah, so far no luck, but we will continue on to the next store and see what we can find.
I just don't know.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Go away.
Why do you have a bowl of rocks?
Nothing. Maybe I want them, maybe I don't.
Do you need a hand?
Maybe
or?
I'm getting a fish.
At the last thrift store, I actually found what I was looking for. It looks a little bit rough, but I'm excited because this is exactly what I needed.
So I have my idea for what I'm going to do for Russell. The idea actually came from the hexagon bowls that I saw in the store because they were so nicely packed into each other. I was like, those would make a really pretty little tabletop fire situation. But the hexagons are pretty, which is not Russell's thing, which is why I ended up with these stainless steel bowls. So now that I have that idea, I am searching Amazon for something food safe to put in. And I think what I've settled on is just doing some kind of soy candle myself because it's pretty affordable. I can buy a big set and end up making like 10 candles, or I could buy like one little fire kit for like twice as much money. So that doesn't make sense to me.
I'm done all my shopping and I'm going to show you what I ended up with. So I have an assortment of cutting boards. Lindy has shown me some cutting boards that she said, oh, these are nice. And they're like $100 or maybe like $80 a board. And yes, they look cool, but it's like, that's really expensive for a cutting board. And I was like, I think I can do it cheaper. So I found these ones at the thrift store. I think I spent a total of like $10. And I'm gonna transform them into these boards that I saw as kind of inspiration online.
So all my supplies are here. I am getting ready to make these little candle things today. They're gonna be in this one and this one. And both of these fit nicely in the big guy, so hopefully they both work. But first I'm just gonna clean the stainless steel, which I'm doing with a simple SOS pad. Sky, how do we do this?
Two, inch and a half, inch and a half.
So this is what I got. Soy wax and these wood wicks. I'm going to attach the wood wicks inside of the little cups, melt the soy wax, and it should make a nice little outdoor candle fire that also is food safe. Practice on the small one. Ooh, well, that didn't stick at all. Hopefully that will look okay. And they're all trimmed down.
So I got my shape cut out. I don't know what to do. So this side of the cutting board had like this drip edge in it, and I don't want that. But I'm trying to figure out what the best way is to deal with that. I don't know yet. This is the right handle size, but I don't like this. I don't know.
Break down all you little waxies. The wax is in, it is setting now. So I'm just gonna leave this overnight. I think it needs like 24 hours-ish to set, and then I'll check it tomorrow and hopefully it'll be done and I can assemble everything.
This one I actually had to glue back together. It had a bit of a crack, and when I tried to fix it, it just split. So I just clamped it. I used a waterproof glue, and now it's nice and solid. I'm really happy with how this is coming together. I'm also very curious on what Lindy is up to. I'm not allowed to go to the back of the house.
I also have these guys, which I got the whole set for $1, which I thought was a smoking deal. I could keep the little colors on, but honestly, I feel like they just cheapen them because here's one where the color piece fell off and it's walnut. It's just pretty. It's really nice. So I'm gonna take the colors off these ones, although I'm not really sure how. Okay, that's next. Oh, I can see it coming. Oops. Russell would be laughing out loud at me if he was watching me do this. Sorry, Russell. Not trying to wreck your tools. There, got it, got it.
So, I mean, this one's a little bit of a hack job. This isn't how I would have normally done it if I had my full workshop here or access to all my tools, but this will work. I think once you get paint on it, you probably won't even notice. And I think this look is better than the short little handle I would have been stuck with the other cutting board configuration. And then I'm also gonna have to drill a hole in here. I haven't quite figured out. I need to see if I have my hole saws or I'm gonna need to figure out how to get a nice clean hole in here with the tools I have. Apparently Lindy is getting close to being done. I'm still a little ways away with sanding, and I have to paint and then do like a cutting board wax. But I'm curious because she finished, I mean, hers was done in a day or two, and mine are probably gonna take about 3 days. Be curious to see what she came up with.
Now that the wax is all set, I am going to just like snip them closer to the surface where you'd actually want a candle to be. And then I'm going to use a heat gun to just kind of level everything out. There's a couple little cracks and like some parts where it went up around the candlestick. Just level it out, make it look a little prettier. That works so fast.
So I'm gonna be using old-fashioned milk paint. It is food safe, so that's why we're gonna go with it. Yeah, so 1 and 1, here we go. Oops. Yeah, just stirring, trying to get it all, the powder into the water. Stir, stir, stir. More stirring. That doesn't look like paint yet. 1 to 1, right? See, hopefully that's enough. Oh yeah, that coat's nice. Okay, here we go.
This is the black sand that I collected. I'm just going to put this in around the dish because I thought the black would look really nice layered between the two stainless steel pieces. Manliest candle I ever saw. Nice little mandel for him.
The next step is to add a bit of a protective covering or protective top coat to the cutting boards. We are going to be using walrus oil, cutting board oil, and wood wax. The nice thing about these products is that they are environmentally friendly and they're food safe, so they're the perfect combo for our cutting boards. I'm trusting you not to bring me into anything.
No, it's just a table. There's no dangers. It's not
Can I touch it?
what it looks like at first glance.
Okay.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
Do we need to count down?
No.
Okay, 1.
No.
Oh, it's a candle.
Okay, it is what it looks like at first glance. But what it's meant to be is like a little like tabletop campfire thing.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. I like that.
I
Marshmallows?
did. Yes. So I found these at the thrift store.
That's like double score.
I know. And
That's like walnut or something.
yeah, I know, it's nice wood.
Bougie.
And then I put I kind of made it masculine.
Where did you find this?
At the thrift store.
You found the sand at the thrift store?
Oh no, the thrift store from the sand's from the beach.
Oh, nice. You didn't even pay for it. That's like true thrifting. You know the way to my heart. Cool. Very nice. Thank you.
Do you actually?
I do. I mean, when I thought as a candle, I'm like, oh yeah, candle. But
But having it like it's an atmosphere thing.
it is.
I thought.
No, and that I can cook
You
roast.
like fire.
And I like marshmallows.
Yeah.
You can just close your eyes.
Okay.
And then I will show you. Okay. Close your eyes. I'm gonna have a countdown. So prepare yourself.
Mentally preparing for a countdown. Can I open them?
Not yet. Have we had a countdown yet? 3, 2, 1, go.
Cool.
One cutting board.
You made a black one.
Yeah, and it's all food safe.
That's cool.
And then you get this.
2 cutting boards.
And then you get this.
How many cutting boards did you make?
And then last but not least, can you guess what's coming?
Another cutting board.
Boom! But look at that
Oh,
one.
with the prettiest one. Did you thrift all of these?
These are all thrifted. This started as a square, believe it or not.
I do believe it. I know how talented you are.
So, you like it?
Yeah, no, I love it. These are awesome.
Did you, what were you expecting from
I don't know what I expected you to like completely build something new, which I guess you kind of did too. Well, thank you. That's our Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let us know if you want to see us thrift some more gifts for each other in the future. And make sure you check out our thrifting DIY playlist for some more great thrift DIY ideas.
Doesn't get much better than thrifting and DIY.
Thanks for watching.